Hey, what is going on, ladies and gentlemen? My name is Nick and I'm back with another video for you guys. Today we're actually upgrading the angel eyes on the 135i. I got a lot of comments and messages about these angel eyes, about how yellow they look, about how bad they look on the pictures. So we're gonna upgrade those today. The angel eyes we're installing are actually the same ones I installed about 3 years ago on my very first 135i. They turned out great, they look great, they fit right on. They lasted me about a year, and even after I sold the car, they were good. So I'm definitely a returning customer on these. I'm excited how this is gonna look, and let's get right into the video. Alright guys, so these are the angel eyes that we've got. These are the ones from ECS Tuning. They're the H8 LED angel eye bulb set. Let's just pull it out real quick. So these are the bulbs we have here. They come with little, looks like reductors or something going on here. These are like to prevent any codes for coming onto your car. Generally they're just xenons, but these are LEDs, so yeah, let's get into the install. Alright guys, so we're going to start off by removing this cover on the back of your headlights. It's two clamps right here. You simply pop these right off. And you pull it right off. Alright guys, so it is this bulb right here. We simply twist, and that should pop right off. It's got a tab here on it, plug. You should take off these two side pins, and it'll come right off. So we've got the LED bulbs here. We simply plug in. There you go. Okay. Here you go. It takes a little minute, a little bit of wiggling to get in, but it'll snap right in. Then we're just gonna move on into installing the bulb itself. So it's got like a larger pin right here, a larger pin, and then something smaller right here. You just want to match it there by the headlight, and it'll be just a simple twist back on. And cool. That's sitting in good. Next thing we want to do is just tuck these in here. There's some space on the side right here. We can just tuck it inside the headlight. It should cause no harm. And then we simply throw the cover back on. Okay, let's go test these out. Wow, that looks great. Yeah, that's such a difference. Wow. Woo! I'm excited for these. I think they're gonna look a lot better in the nighttime. Alright guys, the bulbs look great. I'm super happy with this. Let's get the other side installed. Alright guys, so this is what the headlights look like with the daytime running lights, and this is what the headlights look like completely on. Alright guys, we're pretty much done with this install. It took us about 10 minutes to pull the old ones out to put the new ones in. The angel eyes look great, the bulbs work well, they fit well. This is probably one of the best mods you can do for under 100 bucks. This is probably one of the best mods you can do for your BMW for under 100 bucks. You guys should definitely look into this. I'm pretty sure they fit the 1 Series, 3 Series, and a couple other Series BMWs. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you guys learned something new, and I'll see you guys in the next video.